Hi, we wanted to introduce ourselves as team number 2 in order to continue in our proposal. These methods were especially designed to increase productivity in the company and also to provide incentives for the employees. It is highly considered that a company is more interesting by job seekers when there are certain things that will attract them. So we will disclose further on the slides. Thank you for the attention. Profile at Microsoft Corporation. Well, the profile of Microsoft Corporation is that it is an American technology company, and this works as develop licenses and support a range of software products, services, and devices.
How his or her company could motivate their employees using McLean's motivational theory. Managing a group of people with different personalities is not easy. If you're managing or leading a team, it's essential to know what motivates your people. Three motivators that David believed we all have is a need for achievement, a need for affiliation, a need for power, and it's necessary to identify your people's motivating drivers. Their employees need to feel part of the Microsoft group and motivate them through initiatives based on their achievements. This includes Employee of the Month for programming employees, the monetary initiative, and the vacation, like extra hours or extra vacations.
How their people could become highly effective. Working in teams and individually in order to achieve the goals imposed by the team leaders. Having work done before finish lines to develop new habits. And ask your leader for any questions that may surge in order to finish the work.
We have three relevant conclusions, and these are that Microsoft employees enjoy competition over its peers. They motivate by taking risks to accomplish their goals and benefit by this. Millennials put more value on experiences over things, so the vacations incentive will motivate more Microsoft employees. Giving feedback to the employees and negotiating incentives motivates them to go beyond the expectations and conserve their place in the company.
Those with a high need for power work best when they are in charge, because they enjoy competition, they do well with goal-oriented projects or tasks. They may also be very effective in negotiations or in situations in which another party must be convinced of an idea or goal. When providing feedback, we direct with these team members and keep them motivated by helping them further their career goals. Thank you very much.
We hope that our proposal did help the company, and like my team member said, thanks for the attention.